Well, folks, we surely want to thank you for responding to our appeal for the retired friars. That's me. I'm a retired friar, but still busy, and we are just so grateful for the response. Here are all the names of the people that sent in a donation, and we're going to pull names and give out these birdhouses that I kind of do on the side. Anybody that comes visit me from out of town, I always give them a birdhouse, and since I've retired, 2.5 years ago, I made over 100 birdhouses and bird feeders. But oh, there's the first winner. It just popped out. The first winner is Linda Axion, Laurel, Mississippi. There you go. A bird down there gets a home now. And let's see, I'm going to go way down here in the bottom. And, oh, there's a hot one. There's a hot one. There it is. Jerry and Ruth Forrester, Hamilton, Ohio.
All right.
That's close by. Hamilton, Ohio. That's the second one. We've got, no, we fall out now. I'm going way down deep. I've been mixing them for about 5 minutes, but here's one. L.F. Murphy, Zanesville, Ohio. That's number 3. We got 2 more. 2 more. But if you really want a birdhouse, you can write me and I'll make you one.
You might be.
No. All right. I gotta have something to do in retirement, you know. Of course, I'm very busy. I go out every day for mass somewhere. Here we are. Mary Wise, Wanda, New York. Tonawanda. Oh, New York. A lucky bird in New York just got a home. And here's the final one here. All right, I'm going to dig really deep here. And I'll tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to pick out about 4 or 5. There. Now, see what we do. If it stays down, you're still in. But your name comes up, you're out. Flip nice. All right. Those are still in. These are out here.
This is now within my raffles. There's 2 out. There's another one's out. Okay. Now these are in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4. And let's see.
1 is from Cincinnati, 2 from Cincinnati, 3 from Cincinnati, and the last one is Shelby Township, Michigan. So, all right, here we go again. All right, 3. Look at that, they're all back in. I think this is it. Here's the winner. Mack family, Cincinnati, Ohio.
All right.
Well, again, thank you everyone for contributing and taking care of all of our senior friars. God bless you and have a Merry Christmas after a Holy Advent. Amen. That's enough.